19 months ago, the Oroville Dam spillway, which is behind us, gave way. I am with Erin Mellon with the Department of Water Resources. And Erin, November 1st is a big date. Why?
We've set November 1st as a public safety milestone to have all structural concrete placed on the main spillway by November 1st. We want to make sure that we have a fully functioning spillway before the rainy season. This main spillway behind us is how we manage releases from Lake Oroville, which provides flood control for the downstream communities. And it's also how we supply water throughout the entire state of California.
What has been done so far and what needs to be done?
We have so far placed 90 of 150 structural concrete slabs that need to be placed by November 1st. As I said, we will have all structural concrete slabs placed by November 1st, but there will be lots of work still happening up on the spillway after that date. On the main spillway, you'll be seeing crews doing backfill on walls and cleanup at the drainage system, and then there will be work continuing on the emergency spillway, which is adjacent.
And there's something called, in layman's terms, dragon's teeth, and those needed to be repaired as well. Talk about that.
Yeah, the dragon's teeth, they're also called dentates or energy dissipators. They're what you see at the very bottom of the spillway behind us. They're actually 2 stories tall, which you wouldn't know it by looking at it. They took a beating last year with the main spillway erosion, and the concrete and the rock and the dirt that hit them kind of beat them up. So we've actually taken the concrete off of them and done a resurfacing.
And the spillway is obviously connected to Lake Oroville, which is the 2nd largest reservoir in California. What are lake levels looking like right now?
Right now, Lake Oroville is at an elevation of 724 feet, which means that there's about 1.5 million acre feet in the lake. That means that there's 2 million acre feet of flood storage capacity in the lake right now, because it does have a capacity of 3.5 million acre feet. And that's really important. We need to manage lake levels pretty conservatively this year. Because the spillway is still under reconstruction, we want to make sure that we have a lot of floods capacity so that if we get some early rains and some big storms, that we have plenty of flood capacity in that lake to manage it before the spillway is reconstructed.